Okay, so you spent a lot of hour writing those valuable Facebook posts and posting on the walls, on others' Facebook group with a large following, and after some time when you are again going to see that how much engagement you have gotten, there is no results. There is no notifications, there are no likes, there are no comments, there are nothing at all, and this is making you sick. If you are this person, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain you the top 4 tricks through which you can attract more eyeballs onto your Facebook post. Yes, you heard me right. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do to gain more eyeballs on your Facebook post is that you need to be a human and you need to comment on others people post. It says that if you're posting on Facebook without commenting, without engaging with others people group or others people post, Facebook automatically degrades your engagement, it degrades your reach, and this is why you are not getting much eyeballs. So the first thing that you have to do is, before posting, just spare your 15 and 20 minutes before and just go to all the feeds that you are getting and just comment genuine comments, genuine likes over there. If someone is asking for suggestions, if someone is asking for your valuable advice, tips, if asking someone questions, just go and answer them. Just be human and just give as much as you can in the comments. First thing first. Now, the second thing, what you have to do is just kill your audience with a killer headline and a great CTA. Yes, you get all the things that you need on a Facebook post is 2 things. The first thing is the headline, that is the hook, and the second thing is call to action button. That is the thing that where you want person to go on. For example, if I'm posting a post with just learn 5 ways to earn money quick, this is my hook. This is attracting people to my post, and that is why people will like it valuable and they will read the remaining of the post what I have written. And in the end, what you can say is, if you want to gain more access to the tips and tricks, just join my 5-day challenge on how to get clients or how to get money easy without investing in any other guru course or something like that. So this is your CTA. This is doing you 2 things. The first thing is that you are getting eyeballs, you are getting visibility, and the second thing is that you are getting more people who can convert into your customers. So these are the 2 things that you are getting from just doing the killer headline and a great call to action button. Now, the third thing, strike emotional things. Yes, you heard me right. You have to strike the emotions of a person. Always remember that you are selling something to a person, not a robot or a bot. The person knows that how the feeling, what the intent you have behind that product. And if you will strike that pain point, you will get results. For example, suppose if I am coming to you and I am saying that I work as a social media manager and I want you to hire me, you will not be interested in me because I'm just pitching myself. And if I'm telling you my story that a few years ago, like 1 year ago, I was in the same shoes as you, I was not getting any clients, I was not into sales, I didn't knew how to get conversions or anything. But after struggling a lot, after doing XYZ, etc., after telling my story, you will get connected to me as a human and you will take some interest in showing my products and services. You will be interested, and this is what makes you different from other salesy people. So you don't have to be salesy, you have to strike the emotions in your post. You have to tell them a story in your post, and this is how you can get eyeballs, because people will feel connected to you, to your story. So this is my second thing that I wanted to share with you. Now coming back to the third thing is that don't be salesy. Don't self-promote yourself. Yes, you don't have to promote yourself in order to get more people. no matter if you are promoting something, no matter if you are if you want more clients, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be a robot. What you can do instead is, instead of self promoting yourself, you can promote your knowledge. Yes, in the Facebook groups, in your wall, in your own pages, anything else. You can promote, like, if for example, if I am a service provider and if I am promoting like Instagram marketing, I will not tell you to come and take my services and I charge like this much of dollars. I will give you insights of Instagram and how Instagram can change your business. And this is how you can feel more connected to me. And this is how you can say that this girl can help me in everything that I do, in promoting my services through Instagram, because she know what she's doing. And this is how you can get that too. So these were some of the great tips, you can say, tricks, you can say, whatever you can say, just say it. And this is how you can trick more eyeballs to your Facebook post. Let me know how did you find it useful, or you didn't like that, and anything else that can be a feedback for my videos. As I am being more active on YouTube, I want you people to support me so that I can post more valuable videos like this, so that you can take some help from my videos and can improve your business strategy or something like that. So this was it. If you find it useful, please hit a like button, subscribe and share with your people who need to see this. And I will meet you soon. Thank you so much.